What's up, guys? Today we are working on some headlights. If you caught the last video, you'll see where we got the JDM front bumper and the black housing headlights from our guy Roger Wigham out of Oklahoma. So we are out here today. We are refinishing these lights, taking all the little blemishes and whatnot out, making them look nice. So I have the other one right here. You can see they got little scratches in them, little marks. Overall, pretty clean. Just some little small imperfections. However, today I'm going to show you how to make your lights go from that to this one over here. So, tips from TDK. Y'all come hang out with me. We're going to start by giving a shout out to Mothers one time with a new lens headlight renewal kit. This is what I'm using. It comes with two 800 grit pads, two 1500 grit pads, both wet sand, and then a dry 3000 and a power ball to polish with. So I'm gonna bust this baby down and get to work on the light. I'm gonna show y'all how I did mine. So first, you want to use the 800 pad. Go over the whole light first. You can use your drill. It comes with a little drill attachment. Myself, preferably, I'm going to do all the sanding by hand, and I'll use the drill for the polishing aspect. But 800 grit first. Nice little Velcro pad they give you. So just strap the sandpaper on there and start working down the first layer of the light. We have our first sand with the 800 grit. Clean this off and hit it one more time. And as you can see, we've already started that first fine haze. So we're gonna wet this baby down and hit it one more time with the 800. I like to do it twice just to make sure I got a good job. Alright, now that I've got both rounds done, I want to dry everything down. Go back, take a final little look down everything while it's dry. Look at your sanding lines. You see any that might look a little deeper than others, or you might see a particular pattern or something like that. Go back and do it one more time. That's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to hit it one more time with the 800, and then we'll move on to the next 50. Alright, here we are with our first layer. 800 grit. Nice little haze over everything. Got all the scratches out of it. Now we will move on to the 1500. Go from there. 2 times. I'm going to go over it once, wipe it down, go over it again, wipe it down, look at it, and then maybe 3 times, depending on how she looks. Alright. Once you get done with the 2 rounds of 1500, then we will move on to this 3000 grit dry cloth and do this guy with no water this time, all dry. Once more, then we will polish. Alright, and here we go. After the 3000 pad, you hit that baby one more time. Then we'll start polishing. Alright, now that we have that final sand done, we will commence to hitting it with the power ball. Power plastics for lights, plastic polish. Shout out to Mother. We'll hit this one up, and we'll be back with the final result. Alright guys, and just like that, we have some clean refinished headlight action going. Blackhausen JDMs. Once again, shout outs to my man at Roger Whitham. We'll get this front end put back together and get y'all some updates coming soon. But, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you refinish some headlights. So, we're going to do this one more time coming in the next couple of days. We got one more for the Civic. You see them things are yellow. So, we're going to knock them out too. Shout out to Mothers for the awesome product. Get them lights looking good. But that's it for today. We're going to clean some stuff up. Get ready to wrap it up. We'll see y'all tomorrow.